Escape to your very own paradise in our stunning The Lakehome. Located on the tranquil shores of a picturesque lake, this property offers the perfect blend of natural beauty and modern luxury. With spacious rooms, high ceilings, and panoramic windows, our Lakehome is designed to take full advantage of its breathtaking surroundings. It's not about the views that make our property so unique. Inside, you'll find all the comforts of home, including a fully equipped kitchen, comfortable bedrooms, and modern bathrooms with plenty of room for everyone. This is the perfect place to gather with friends and family to create memories only at The Lakehome.